What's up, coders? I hope you people are fine there and you people are learning amazing stuffs in your life. Okay, so till now, in this particular playlist, we have learned how to add this code label. Okay, in case you missed the previous part, you can find the links in the description below. In this video, we will be learning how to add the intro page and these three buttons before the game begins. Okay, so let's just start coding. So first we will be adding the image, the entry image. So let's just see the image name. What is the name consist? So we can see here the name is background.jpg. Okay. So in case you haven't downloaded the resources yet, you can find my GitHub link down in the description below. Okay, and you can find there. And please download all the resources. It will be helpful for you. Okay. So now we will add the code. Okay. So let's just say we will be naming this image object is equal to intro image equal to pygame.image.load. The image name was background image background.jpg. Okay. Now we will be creating a intro loop function because in that intro image, if you see at the starting or at the beginning of the game, that image will be having some continuous phase just like the game loop function. We can perform the quit operation. We will be adding three different buttons. So for that, it's better to create a function and then modify that function, okay, according to your own convenience. Okay, so let's just create a intro, you can say intro loop function. Okay, same stuff as like the game loop function. Take a variable and assign a boolean value here to, let's just say intro equal to true, while intro, we can say event handling for event in pygame dot event get if event dot type equal to pygame dot quit pygame dot quit method with kill activated and then the quit method. Okay, and in order to close the dialog box, we will see that whenever we click on the close button, then we'll get a close dialog box. So in order to close that too, we will be adding the system.exit method here. Okay, now this loop has been created. Now we have to add this background image on the screen before the game starts. So here only we will be adding the split method here. Let's just say screen.split. The source is intro image and the destination will be 0,0. Okay, I hope it will work. Let's just click on run and oh sorry, again the same mistake. I haven't added this, I haven't called the function intro loop. So, and one more important thing here, this intro loop function which we have created now, this will be called outside of the game loop function. Okay, somewhere down the game loop function, before the game loop function, because it is getting not activate, sorry for the wrong word, it is getting run before the game loop function. So we will be calling here only, sorry I have already added here, so we have to add it here. Okay, let's just run it and just save the code. Okay, and then run it. Okay, we'll see. Okay, no error, but the screen is coming as black. Okay, I think we haven't updated the screen. That is the reason. Let me check. 1 second. We have loaded the image, but we haven't added the. We haven't updated it. Yes, I guess. So, pygame.display.update. Yes. Run it and save it. Sorry, save it and run it. Yes, bingo. You can see the image has been added on the screen. Perfect. After setting this image, now we will add the text here, the big large text car game saying somewhere here. Okay, so let's say, and yeah, make sure that you are adding this text code uh, in the intro loop, because we are adding the text onto this screen. So we have to make sure that this logic or the code will be added in the intro loop. So let's just say font equal to, as you already familiar in the earlier videos, and how to write a text or how to create a font object here. pygame.font.sysfont. Okay, two arguments, none is a by default font, and size, let's just say 200. Maybe we will see after saving it. And then let's say title equal to, after you have to render this font.render. First option, first argument will be the string. What string we have to pass here? Car game. Okay, then I think the anti-alias value, and then the color, let's say the color will be black. Okay, then we have to bullet it as this text will be converting into image, so source will be title, and then the position, let's say somewhere a little right and then a little down, not that much. So let's say 50x and 50y coordinates. Save it and let's see. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, the text is coming, but it's taking full size, so let's just reduce by 20 pixel. Yeah, let's say here 190. Okay, we'll see. Yep, yeah, done. So the text has come, has appeared. Now we will be adding creating buttons on the downside of the screen somewhere here. So let me clear first here. In this particular video we will be creating those buttons only, but the event handling or the functionality of this button we will be covering the next video, because I don't want this video to be lengthy, or any video to be lengthy, because it will consume lot of content, and that will be a little complicated, or difficult to understand a whole lot of things. So I will be just creating buttons, 3 buttons here, and then in the next video we'll cover all the things. Okay, by saying buttons, so in simpler words, in pygame we will creating rectangles here. Okay, and then that rectangle will act as a button. Okay, so we will be creating, as of now, 3 rectangles of different colors: green, blue, red. Green, blue, red. Yes. Okay, so let's just create 3 variable who contains those color values. Let's say green equal to 0, 255, 0. Okay, let's say red equal to 255, 0, 0. Okay, and then blue equal to 0, 0, 255. Okay, save it. Now we will creating those rectangle, and in pygame we have a module called pygame.draw, which is responsible for drawing any shapes. Okay, in this particular video we have to creating a rectangle, so there's a method inside this module called pygame.draw.rect. We will be adding in this loop only, as I already told that the button will be adding on the screen, on this screen. Okay, so let's just add the logic here. So the module is pygame.draw, and the method is rect, which accept 3 arguments. First, the surface, so here will be the surface will is green. Okay, and then the color of the rectangle, we already have given the value variables. So let's the first button will be green, so let's just say green. And then the position, width, coordinates. The first will be x, then y, then width, and then height of the rectangle. Okay, x coordinates, let's say 80, well, like any random number, because we have to make the rectangle appear here, somewhere here downside. Okay, so let's just say it's just our random numbers. Let's say 80, and then y position will be down, so 500, and then the width of the rectangle, let's say 150, and the height of the rectangle. That's it. Let's see, will come or not. Yes, watercolor is a little too light as a green, so we will be reducing a little value of the green, let's say 200. Yeah, okay, save it. Yep. Now we'll be adding 2 more buttons. Let's just copy this 9. Okay, Control C, Control V. Okay, green. Next will be blue, and then red. Only thing will change the X coordinates position of all this button. Let's say second will be around 280, and third will be 480. Okay, save it and just see. Okay, gaps are not that much. We can modify according to own convenience. Okay. Yep. Okay, I have made changes with the X coordinate position, and when you save it, you will see something like this. Okay, perfect. So that's it in this video. In the next video, we will be adding all the functionality on the event handling. Whenever we click on these buttons, the action will perform. We will creating function and event handling. Those things will be covered in the next video. In this video, we have learned how to add the image, how to add a big text on the screen, and how to create a rectangle or 3 rectangles. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. In case you haven't, or in case you found any doubt, any complicated part, anything you have misunderstood or you haven't understood, please feel free to comment down in the section. Feel free to comment down. Okay, I will be fumbling in next few videos. That's how I will learn. So yes, thank you guys, thank you so much, and keep coding, keep learning. Bye guys.